The air filter removes any dirt, dust, or other debris before it can enter the engine. Debris can easily plug the carburetor, making the tool run poorly or not start at all. If dirt gets into the engine, serious damage can occur. The air filter should be inspected often and replaced at least once per year, or more as needed. Replacing the air filter is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the air box cover. Next, I'll remove the air filter. Now I can install the new air filter. I'll slide the air filter over the stem in the center of the air box and index the upper corner with the indexing pin. I'll make sure the filter is sitting firmly against the base. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the air box cover. And that's all it takes to replace the air filter on your small engine. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.